All right, drink we're about to make is called Southern Gin Cocktail. And we're going to serve this up in a martini glass, so go ahead and put some water and ice in there. Let it sit for about 30 seconds while you're making your drink. It should be nice and chilled. Okay, fill up a glass with ice and measure out 2 ounces of gin. And follow that up with a half a teaspoon of triple sec. And 2 dashes of bitters. And we're going to stir it up. Grab a strainer and your spoon. And give it a nice stir. That should be good. And pour out your ice water and strain it in. Last thing we'll do is just give it a lemon twist. And bottoms up.